Hey everyone, it's me Sudeep. Welcome to New Learners. From today, we are going to start multi-vendor e-commerce website series. So if you are new in our channel, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will never miss our new update. So let's talk about what we will be covering. We will cover complete multi-vendor e-commerce website, including its all the features and its methodology, wireframe and UI designs, work breakdown structure, complete DFT, and payment method which we will be using in our multi-vendor e-commerce website, and database MySQL. We will also include some subscriber needs. For example, if you guys want to add some more features or if you guys want to add something more, then you guys can just comment down so we can add it also in the video, and much more we will cover in our upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and be updated. Now let's talk about website top features. As we know, this will be a multi-vendor e-commerce website, so it will have a vendor panel where vendor can add the product and sell it, and a vendor registration panel, a customer panel where customer can track its order, admin panel, product listing, order processing and tracking system, sourcing and filtering option for buyer to find the product easily, online payment gateways, also AI chatbot and normal live chat. As you guys know, AI has been very popular this year, so we will also cover AI chatbot in our system. So this will be a unique feature in our website. We will also cover shipping card and checkout process and many more in upcoming, where I have already told we will also cover subscriber needs. So if you guys need more features, then you guys can just comment down, so we will also add that in our list. Now let's talk about resources required to create our multi-vendor e-commerce website. First, in database management, we will have MySQL server. Now on development part, we will be using Visual Studio, PHP, Node.js, XAMPP and Laravel. Like this. For payment gateway, we will use Kholti as a payment method, as this is very popular in Nepal. So we will also cover this. And for global payment, we will use Stripe. If you guys want more payment gateway, then you can just comment down. We will cover in next video. As we have already told, we will also cover subscriber needs. So don't forget to comment your need. And this will be the work breakdown structure for our system. As here you can see, I have named my multi-vendor e-commerce website name as a VMoons, and our multi-vendor e-commerce name will be VMoons, and this is the work breakdown structure of our system. Now let's talk about what we will be covering in next video. We will cover how to download Visual Studio, Node.js, XAMPP, PHP and Laravel. We will also teach you which version you should download, and all the download link will be provided, so don't worry about it. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will never miss that video. Thank you for watching. It's me Sudeep from New Learners. I will see you in next video.
Tonight.